Grill night here tonight, and we are going to try out for the first time these KONA Grill Mats, which seem like an awesome thing, especially for something like this beautiful salmon you see here, because as wonderful as grills are, trying to cook salmon on a grill on those hot rails is really kind of ridiculously impossible. So this should really operate as a non-stick partition where we could put the food right on it, cook it right on the grill, and it won't get stuck to the grill grills. It won't get stuck to the grill grills. But what do you say we put this on the barbecue, see how it works? All right, we got the zucchini working on one side, and on this side, we're gonna put two giant and delicious pieces of salmon right on the grill. Cook it up. Let's crank this thing up, see how it goes. All right, so I've lost my partner, camera woman. She's working on something else, so I'm going to show you real quickly how you clean this up while I talk to you about my overall results. First off, the overall results were fabulous. Absolutely no stick. This is what it looks like on there. Super duper easy. The food was amazing. I was definitely exceeded my personal expectations. Now to clean it, all you do while it's still a little warm, we still got the oil and grease on there, you just simply sop it up. I use the tongs because, like I said, it's still a little warm and I would rather not burn my hands. So you're just going to sop it up, you know, all the big stuff like this. And then I'm just going to bring it inside, rinse it off in the sink, give it a little soap and water, and I'm all ready to go for the next time. This is definitely a 6 out of 5 on the Dog Score, 6 out of 5. If you're looking to cook fish or anything that these grills kind of turn into an issue, burgers, all that kind of stuff, this is a great option for you. Hope this was helpful. We'll see you next time.